Plum remains have been found in Neolithic age archaeological sites. It was archaeological sites. Neolithic age archaeological sites, along with olives, grapes, and figs. Finally. You're gonna love this video. You're gonna love this video. I'm gonna show you five surprising facts about plums you probably didn't know. Hey everybody, it's Carlos Nino. In this video, we're gonna explore the amazing benefits of plums. Well, an interesting story. What do 500 monkeys have to do with plums? In 1905, a labor shortage hit California. He needed to harvest all the plums. So a farmer turned to 500 monkeys. They were organized into gangs of 50 with a human foreman. They were so awesome at picking the plums. They were so awesome at picking all the plums. Just like in true form, the monkeys actually ended up eating them. Who would have known? They ate those plums. Now we have machines that do all the work without eating a single plum. They don't eat a single plum. A lot of people think that plums are just a sweet snack. They actually have some great health benefits that you're going to love. Plums have been one of the first fruits domesticated by us humans. Hey, plum remains have been found in Neolithic age archaeological sites. It was Neolithic age archaeological sites, along with olives, grapes, and figs. Finally, plums are popular all over the world, and they're grown in every continent except, you guessed it, Antarctica. Doy. And lastly, when dried, plums are called prunes. Quick fact, in order to appeal to a younger market, the California Prune Board began to pressure the Food and Drug Administration to change the name of prunes to dried plum. I see what you did there. Can't go wrong with that. And lastly, there are only 43 calories for 3.5 ounces a serving. Can't go wrong with that. So thank you so much for joining us on our weekly market update. I'm Carlos. We post these videos weekly. You can find us on any of our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and even LinkedIn. And from all of us here at Chef's Produce, thank you very much. And remember, Chefs was founded by chefs for chefs. We'll see you next week.